So when it comes to sweatpants, you should really not have to sweat over how to style them. God, that was pretty bad. You know, if anything, it's one of the easiest pieces of clothing to actually style. You're probably wearing a pair of sweatpants while you're watching this video right now. It's just the most worn piece of item in probably most people's wardrobe. Everyone has, you know, a pair or two or three, and you want to wear them on a daily basis. And you know, the reason why I make these type of videos is to give you guys some sort of inspiration and also help you guys not have to stress about styling. So the next time when it comes to styling a piece like this in your wardrobe, you're like, oh, I already have some ideas on what I want to do with it. And especially when it comes to sweatpants, something you wear so much, you want to be able to make the most of it, still make it look great. We want that stress to be minimal when it comes to styling outfits. You know what, it is January right now, meaning that our stress levels are super high. We set some high goals for ourselves. We have been overworking and probably overwhelmed by so many things that we want to achieve. The thing is, we want to do it quickly. It is part of the process and we need to trust the process. Something that I use to help myself stay on track in January has been Magic Mind. Now, this little bottle here has really helped me stay on track with everything in my life. It helps me stay on track so I'm doing productive work, not just busy work. It's about how to optimize your time and how to use it wisely versus just doing a whole heap of things that doesn't actually lead you to your goal. This is a productivity shot. Now, this has a lot of benefits to it, including having your daily dose of vitamin C and vitamin D all in this little bottle here. It also helps you lower your stress and also stay focused at your task in hand, which really helps in a time like January. And also for everyone who loves matcha, this has a great matcha taste to it. I love the taste of this. And just like that, one shot in the morning, that's when I like to take it. You are good to go for the day. Now, Magic Mind also has a sleep elixir, which really helps with getting longer and deeper sleep, which gets you better recovery. So the next day, you're ready to go and conquer all those goals that you set out for yourself. So with this bundle here, they have a great offer right now, 45% using my link in the description box below, which is magicmind.com/VictorJan. And if you want to check out any more details, because there is a whole heap of information to take in when it comes to Magic Mind, check out the link in the description box below. So let me help you lower your stress and increase your productivity when it comes to conquering your January goals. And also let me help you with lowering your stress when it comes to styling outfits. So first off, we're starting with a pair of gray sweatpants. Now these sweatpants here are, pretty standard. They have a cuff at the bottom here, a long drawstring in the front. So pretty much your normal pair of gray sweatpants. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the first outfit now. So first one we have here, pretty nice, pretty casual. And actually, I feel like this is probably one of the easiest ones to put together. Leather jacket on top, white t-shirt, and the sweatpants. With a pair of dad shoes, these are the New Balances. So this is a very comfortable outfit for you to go out in. Black, white, and gray just matches very easily together. It kind of mimics the New Balances that you're wearing on feet. There is a little bit of gold on here, which is okay, adds a little bit of color to this as well. I feel like this is just a very comfortable, minimalistic type of outfit, but it also is able to elevate the sweatpants slightly. Honestly, I think that this is an outfit that I'll probably wear on its own already, just like this. You got your pop of color with the light blue here. If you want to make it look a little bit nicer, especially for winter, then you could wear a coat on top as well. So we have a trench coat to finish off the outfit and a pair of the Fear of God Converses. Obviously, when you wear sweatpants, it's because you want to be relaxed, be chill. With this on top, it kind of gives it a little bit of a business type of look with the trench coat and also the collared shirt. Usually with sweatpants, I would always go with sneakers, or if you would like to opt for boots, that would work as well. Something like a pair of combat boots, I think it would match really nicely together as well. Yeah, this trench coat is pretty oversized. It's actually like down to my shins pretty much. That's kind of how I like the long overcoats. And if you wanted to accessorize a little bit, I would go for a shoulder bag. It also holds a lot of your stuff if you don't want to put it into your pocket, because who likes bulging pockets in sweatpants? Doesn't look that nice. It's nicer to have a little bag to carry all your stuff in, and that's pretty much this outfit. Now, you can't do a sweatpants outfit video without using a hoodie. With this outfit, I like to use a little bit of color blocking. Now, I like the matching sets, like those look great as well. But also another way that I like to use the gray is actually to wear different color gray together. Why I use the white tee in the middle is to just break it up a little bit. This actually has a slight wash on it as well. So I feel like this color works really nicely with a gray like this. Now, if you wanted to wear another piece of gray on top, you could. So what we have here now is a full play on gray, all shades of gray down to the shoes as well. The shoes has a slight gray on here as well, gray purple, I would say. And that's a great thing about gray. It just works even if you throw together different shades of gray. So with this outfit, we're going with a black, white, and gray theme all the way down to the shoes. Now the shoes do have a little bit of blue in here, but the rest of the outfit is all white, black, and gray. Now we got a crop tee underneath here. I've been liking my crop tees recently. This is a tee that I like to use with this jacket just because I don't really want an oversized tee to flow down below the jacket. I think I like it the length that it is right now. Now with the varsity jacket, you're going for more of a sporty look. I feel like the varsity jackets that I'm usually drawn to are the ones that have a little bit of difference in material, whether it is a leather sleeve, and I feel like it just looks better than varsity jackets that have the same material the whole way through. Detailing on there, whether it be a leather sleeve or maybe there's some sort of design on the sleeve as well, make it pop a little bit more. Also, a nice varsity jacket always gets compliments when you're outside, and obviously you like to have compliments, right, when you're wearing a dope outfit. So get a nice one, and the investment is definitely worth it. So we're done with the gray, onto the black sweatpants. Now these black sweatpants, if you've seen my other videos, it has been appearing in most of my videos just because they're probably my most worn sweatpants. Now these are from COS. They do have a zip here to tighten the leg. Otherwise, I would say that these are, slightly wide leg sweatpants. Let's style our first outfit. So I actually quite enjoy combining formal wear with sweatpants. So just like here, we've got it is an oversized suit jacket, so not your usual tailored suit jacket. And then we also have the loafers with the sweatpants to, make it look a little bit better, elevate it slightly. Now I would say that these sweatpants do look slightly different than your usual black sweatpants.
and that's why it works with this oversized suit jacket. Now with an all black outfit, honestly, you can't go wrong. I've talked about this many times before. All black outfits are probably the best outfits that you can go for. There's just so many ways that you can wear it to make it look nice that you really can't go wrong. So with this, I like to also add a little bit of jewelry, gold necklace here, and also a chain bracelet here as well to kind of finish off the outfit. These are actually my running sunglasses that I have, and you know, I like the shape of these. I like the lens on here as well. I think it really matches with a kind of like an abstract t-shirt like this from a Cold War. We have a cropped puffer jacket on top with the jewelry as well. And then we're also finishing it off with the Air Forces on the bottom. Just kind of like the silhouette on how the pants just fall nicely onto the shoes here. And because on one side you can have the zip completely unzipped like this, so you can see some of the detailing from the shoe as well. You don't need to overcomplicate things when it comes to putting great outfits together that you can wear on the daily. Actually very simple, and you can make your wardrobe look very good by just having a couple of nice pieces that work well together. And even when you have stuff like my sunglasses that I use for running, that can actually still work with the outfits. Alright, so I know what you're thinking. You want to just throw on a sweatshirt and like call it a day. Well, you can. Just make sure that you get a sweatshirt with a little bit of design on there, like, you know, words on the side. This one's from Yeezy, I think season 3, 4, can't remember. But there's still some sort of, you know, design on here, whether it is a boxier fit. Like, you can always kind of play around with that when you look for sweatshirts. You could also just slap on some jewelry, slap on some rings, slap on the bracelet, slap on the necklace, even if you can only see some of it on the side of the neck here. It just makes the outfit look better, so it's not just basic. On top of that, I think the other easiest way to kind of accessorize is when it comes to shoes, just because that can actually capture most of the attention. And also because when it's all black, you can pretty much wear any type of shoes that you like. Now, what I actually have here is a pair of Air Force One Undefeated that I've actually never worn. I literally just took it out of the box, and it doesn't actually have that new shoe smell anymore. Oh, actually, this one does, because it's been in the box for, I want to say, 3 years, or 2 or 3 years. Even this thing is still on. I would go for something like this, just because there's more design on here. If you wanted to add a little bit of pattern or like add a little bit of color, I really think that the shoes is the best way to add that. And you can choose designs that pop, yell a little bit more. So that's what I would go for. Now, last but not least, I'm not sure if I like this outfit, but I did see Devin Booker rocking this a few times. Now, what it basically is, it's a flannel with a hoodie inside. It's actually a very basic looking outfit, especially if your flannel doesn't look great like mine. It looks all right. I feel like you need like a heavier, fleecy type of flannel to make this look better. But there is a way that I feel like you could elevate this a little bit. That is to wear some leather shoes, like leather boots. So I already think the boots make it a little bit nicer, and then a pair of sunnies to finish off the outfit. I guess you could also use the hood if you want to look a little bit more mysterious, or if your ears are cold. So again, I'm not sure where I stand with this outfit. I just wanted to try it out myself, but I do think it looks slightly better with boots and also a nice pair of sunnies. Now, I do think that I wouldn't go super wacky with the flannel, like the design of it or the color of it. I would still like it a little bit more subtle, kind of like similar to this. Now, this is a very casual, very everyday type of fit that you could go for. So you could definitely rock it if you like to, and I will decide later if I'm going to wear this again. But yeah, let me know in the comment section down below if you like this fit or not, because I'm undecided for sure. That is it. Thank you for watching. I just showed you like 8 ways to style sweatpants and why sweatpants are one of the easiest things to style, and you already have that in your wardrobe anyway, so why not make it look better? Why not, you know, dress it up a little bit? Hopefully this is going to help you have more fun with your wardrobe and give you a little bit of inspo in styling your sweatpants. Hopefully you like some of my outfits, and let me know which ones you do, which ones you don't. I like to hear all of them. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.